Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're going to Jurien Bay this weekend. If you remember the Lancelin videos and the Cervantes Pinnacles videos, Jurien Bay's a bit further than that on the way to Geraldton. It's going to be wet as anything this weekend, guys, raining the whole time, but there's still plenty to see up there. I'm just going to go and pick up Janet for work, but for now, let's roll the intro. Well, I've checked the weather. I've got till about 2 o'clock before the rain comes in, so that works out better than I was expecting. This is the JBH, or the Jurien Bay Hotel. This is where we're staying this time. We've stayed here quite a few times in the past. Lovely, comfortable rooms. But we've got the caravan park over here, and we've stayed there as well. There, if there's a group of you, that's better because you can get chalets with separate bedrooms and things. But here, yeah, no, and here, guys, this is whenever we stay at either the caravan park or the pub, we always have at least one dinner in here. Delicious, but you'll see that tonight. And we'll make the code word for here, JBH, like you can see up there, JBH. And here we are at the Tourist Information Centre, the Turquoise Coast Visitors Centre. We'll make the code word for here the same as all the information centres. Now, probably one of the most popular things to do in Jurien Bay is skydive Jurien Bay. If we turn around here, that's the pub over there and the caravan park here, so Jurien's a pretty small town really. But yeah, you can do tandem skydives onto the beach. You can't see it here in this lens, but there's a couple of canopies up there. They're about to land out in the paddock. Fun jumpers. Yeah, guys, come and get your rush. Oh yeah, mate, we were here for my birthday a few years ago, and my birthday present was Janet got out of the plane here, so she could understand my love of adrenaline.
Hey legends, if you're looking to come get after it, you should come to Jurien Bay and do your AF, your solo course, or come do a tandem.
And we'll make the code word for here, skydive. And we keep having this luck that things are happening when we go places. But this is the grand opening of the skate park. Look at all these kids, and it doesn't even start till 11 o'clock. I'll put the drone up, show you better.
Visit our new skate park in Jurien Bay. Okay. Hi!
Hey, come to Western Australia.
It's a great place to be.
And this is the memorial park for... This one's not called the Anzac Park, it's just called the Memorial Park, but it's the same thing as all the Anzac Parks I've showed you to. And it's straight across the road from where the skydivers land. So if you want to come and watch a couple of parachutes landing on the beach, this is where you come. And just near the memorial is the old Jetty heritage site. Now the old Jetty was kind of the lifeline for Jurien in its day. They exported wool, grain, skins and bat manure, which I'm guessing was for fertiliser around the world. But this was a very, very important part of the growth of Jurien Bay. There's so much to do in Jurien, but as you can see, the weather's about to turn. They reckon the weather map says we've got about another hour before the big rains come in, so we're not going to risk going on any hikes or anything. But there's so much to do here, guys. Well, guys, I was just driving past. I saw a sign saying go-kart, so I thought I'd come down. It's not a hire place. This is actually a family-run club. All racing. If you want to come down, they're more than happy as long as you've got wearing the right footwear. There's someone here who'll lend you a cart, lend you some racing gear, and you can get out on the track. What an amazing friendly bunch of guys, but let's go in and meet some of them. And this is the media person, I guess, the PR bloke for the club, Stuart. Why don't you tell us a bit about the club, Stuart?
Okay, well, Jurien Bay Car Club is just a family-based club in Jurien Bay, basically based around family involvement. We have mums, dads, grandparents and kids racing. We don't race for points or anything, it's mainly just for the fun. It's a family membership a year, $20 nomination fee, $15 for the kids to race, and we just basically come in here and have fun all day, you know. We have kids racing from 6 years old up to 16 in the juniors, and then some of the seniors right up till 70 years of age. So,
excellent, mate. Thank you very much.
Easy done.
This is so much fun.
We'll make the code word for here, carts. And guys, if you're in Jurien, I'll put the link as usual. I'll put the link in the description down below. Come and check this out, man. Have a drive if you want. What a happy group of people. Everyone's just smiling and supporting each other. It was. I'm glad I stopped in here. So this is inside Jurien Bay pub. We just had lunch. As you can see, Janet's still picking at her crayfish. I had Nepalese dumplings stuffed with crayfish and fish. Oh, amazing. Amazing. So now I'm at Ian Boyd's house. Here's Ian in the background there. He's an old cray fisherman, and in 1988 he decided to buy a motorbike, and he ended up with a Vincent, and now he has got the biggest collection of Vincent motorcycles, private collection in the world. He's got every model of Vincent's ever bought out. Amazing. But we'll go in and have a look. I'm up the road from his house now. I didn't want to do this outside the man's house because it is his own house. He built the house around the collection. It's amazing. It's viewing by appointment only. I'll put a link in the description letting you know how you can get hold of Ian. And we'll make the code word Vincent. Sorry guys, that storm's come in. It's raining, so I'm dark, but you can see out here, this is the boat harbour. This was a big crayfishing area, Western rock lobster. You remember I explained about that in the Cervantes video. A lot, as you can see here, a lot of the old cray boats have been converted into tourist boats now. So you can do sea line and fishing charters, you can go out pulling lobster traps and things. There's a lot of things you can do here. It's normally a thrive of activity, guys, but there's a big storm coming and it's just started raining as I got here. I put the drone up this morning before the storm came in, and we'll make the code word for here, boat. Now we're at the main shops in town. Got the cafe here, bakery, where we're going to go and have breakfast. Got the cabin right here with the pizzeria. Fishing shop. But what we're going to do is go in and see J Bay glass art. Now Catherine had promised she was going to have the kiln on for us this morning. Show us her making some stuff, but with all the rain last night her studio's flooded. But let's go in and have a look. And this is the Jetty Cafe outside the caravan park. We're going to go in and have some breakfast. Bacon and eggs, yummy.
We just came to Western Australia. What a great place.
Well, that really was a yummy breakfast. Some sad news though, they're shutting down in a month. They've bought a coffee van so they can still keep serving, but this whole thing the caravan park office. It's all getting knocked down, and it's all part of the progress down here at the waterfront. The skate park I showed you yesterday is just over here. The caravan park that's opposite our hotel, this is it right here. So yeah, progress. It is sad to see big memories disappear though. We're at Cowalla Bridge again, if you remember from the Lancelin video. I explained the significance of this bridge, but we just came this way again because even though we knew it wasn't mango season, Janet was hoping that we might find some mangoes. But what a great weekend, guys. We've been going to Jurien. It's one of our favourite places to visit when we want to get away, and every time we go there it's growing as a tourist destination. It's really all that where the skate park is, that whole waterfront's going to be done up. It's amazing. But if you don't know what the code words are for, guys, I'll put a link up here to the video that explains how you can win a Mavic Mini drone. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one.